reduce?
So that's where you look at the pre-reducing. There is no pre-reducing there with that one. So you do have it.
Okay. 2 3/8. I did. You can't reduce that. 11. You can't reduce 12. You can't reduce 13. You can't reduce. I reduced 14. 15. I can't be reduced. 8. 16 can't be reduced. And 17, I'm pretty sure I got that right, but I'm not positive.
All right. Yeah, we should look at that one. There's a small change to make there, but really like that you tried these. That it makes it so much easier to sort of like notice some patterns. 0 times anything.
It's always
Any-
0.
Yeah, so your numerator is 0 over 32.
So it's just 32.
0 over anything is 0 divided by any number is also 0.
Oh, okay. So it's just 0?
Yes.
Okay. And then 49 of 60, that can't be reduced either. So that's done.
You got it. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so page 2, take a look at here. Looks like you kind of maybe started problems 2, but we'll just start from there.
I didn't get to them quite yet.
So the thing to remember on these is that
You don't.
you are multiplying by the reciprocal, so it becomes 5 over 1. You keep the first one, the second one you flip, and then it's just like a problem you've been doing, where you see if you can pre-reduce. If you can pre-reduce, you do pre-reduce. If not, well, you just multiply across. This is 40 over 3. This one, though, you do have to write as a improper fraction.
And so that would be 3 going to 40. So 39.
Okay.
So that's close as you can get. So that would be 13 and 1/3.
Yes, very good. All right, so next one, a little bit easier. So why don't you try that one here? Again, it's multiplication by the reciprocal.
Yeah, so that's gonna be 1/4 times 1/3. 1/12.
Yes. Okay, next
one is be 10 over 1 times 2/9. 29/9, I guess. And then that would be reduced to 2 and 2/9.
Yes.
Okay, and then the next one, 6 sevenths times 1/5 equals 6/35.
Okay, nothing to do there. So you just, these are the nice ones.
1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/8.
Try again.
Wait, would it just? Oh, move. Sorry, it would be 1/16.
Yes.
9 1 times 7/4 equals 3 over 4. That is definitely improper. So change that to a mixed number.
Sometimes you got to write it out because it's too large to be one of those known values.
Okay, so let's try that. 4.
How are you doing on this one?
Almost done.
Okay.
Will it be 15 of the remainder of 3?
Yes.
So it would be 15 and 3/4.
Yes. Very good. All right, we're almost through it here. Almost through this page at least. So that's 8/1, 8/1 times 4/3. Surprised none of these have had pre-reducing in it. Really am.
Yeah.
Hopefully you got 32/3 and you're working on
Yeah.
the mixed
That's
number
what
part
I'm
of this.
doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Would it be 30 and 2, or sorry, not 30, 10 and 2/3?
Yes. Yes, it is. All right. Good job on that. All right. We get 5/12 divided by 2 becomes 5/12 times 1/2. No pre-reducing, which is really odd, but
Yeah.
maybe you'll see that on the quiz test.
Well, the thing is with this test that you just did, a lot of people were struggling on division and multiplication, which is funny because that's the easiest thing for me.
Yeah.
So
That's
yeah,
good.
I'm kind of the opposite of my class.
That's good.
The things they struggle on, I enjoy, and the things that I struggle on, they enjoy. So
Yep. Just focus on your weaknesses. Can't worry about what everybody else is doing, but probably
yeah,
frustrating when you're seeing it in a class. You're like, hey, I got this. I need help on this other stuff. All right.
yeah,
So last one here on this page. So make sure you flip and
okay. So that would be 4/1 times 10/1. Okay, 4 times 10 equals 40. 1 times 1 equals 1. So it just equals 40.
yep, you got it. All right. Flip over to page 3. We don't normally look at the example, but we will be this time because it's kind of a new setup for you.
Yeah.
So what they're trying to show you here is
It's like 1/2. It's a division, wouldn't it be? Because it's like 1/2 divided by.
it is. That's division. The top number comes right where you're used to, but that bottom number, bottom
Gets
fraction.
switched by the reciprocal. So
Exactly. So if you can keep that in mind, you'll be okay here. I guess we'll do the one to the right of it
okay.
first.
So you would first do the 2/5. So 2/5 times 7/6.
Yep.
Mhm.
And then you look, this one you can pre-reduce. So tell
The
me what
2 and
you,
the 6.
okay. So those
1 and
cancel.
3.
1 and 3.
And then you would do
Make sure you multiply,
5.
yeah, the new numbers 1 and 7, and then
Sorry,
5,
1 and 6. Yeah,
and then 5 and 3.
5 and 3. So it would become 15. And so 7/15.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. Okay. What goes in that second fraction position?
The 3/1.
3/1. All right, so go ahead and multiply that out or pre-reduce if you can.
You can't.
You cannot.
So that would be 12 and 7, and then that would become 1 and 5/7.
Yes,
So this one's gonna be. This one's just gonna cancel out.
it does, but let's go through it the way they want, which is
Okay.
1/4 times the reciprocal, which is 4/1. Do you see any pre-reducing there?
You can pre-reduce. Can you just reduce 4 and the 4 and becomes 1 and 1?
Right, and you still get the same thing. Like you wouldn't do it this way, but you should see why it works. You shouldn't, because you
Yeah.
want, because maybe you're curious. You're like, well, how does that work? And now you've got, some idea of that. All right, so here we go. Next one, probably already on it.
Yeah.
Pre-reduce if you can. Go ahead and give me the
3/20.
yeah. All right. So from here, I'm just gonna have you start working on them. And
Okay.
I'll check your answer as you go. That
Okay.
way you're not biased by looking at my screen. You just work on them on your own.
Okay. 30/28. It
Sorry,
seems like you could reduce that.
yeah, you can reduce that. So
So it would be. Uh,
and you have your numbers
yeah,
flipped.
14. Oh wait. Huh? How would that work? Because
Should be 14 on the top, 15 on the
yeah.
bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and
The next one and
the next one you're doing is the 5/9 over 6/9. Okay.
$45/54.
This one, there's some pre-reducing.
Oh yeah, the 9 and the 9. And
Yes.
1. So that's 5/6.
Yeah. So your answer isn't wrong. It's just that you gotta
Yeah.
pre-reduce. Okay. Try the next one there, please.
Mhm. 3/9.
Keep reducing.
Oh, you can. Oh, yeah, you can. 1/6.
No, you had it right. You said 3/9.
Yeah.
There's what number goes into 3 also goes into 9.
1/3.
Yes.
Okay.
Try the next one there, please.
1 and 1/11. Or 1 and 1/10.
So you like this, and then you got 11/10, 1 and 1/10. Yes.
Yeah, 1 and 1/10.
Okay, keep going.
Mm. 1 and 3/24.
Okay, so you flip the 5 and the 4 like this? I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, you're doing this one. I got
Yeah.
sidetracked. Okay. Sorry. I thought you're this one right here.
Yeah.
So the 3 goes in 4. So it's 9/8. You can pre-reduce.
Oh, you can.
Yes.
So that's not okay. The next one is 5, 4. 5 can't reduce to 12. No, always reducing there. So then there's 5 and 40. 35/48.
You're talking about the next one? Okay, yes. For the previous one, did you get, this one is a mixed number. I was waiting to hear from you on that.
Oh, sorry. It would be 1 and 1/8.
Okay, great. All right, keep going on the last.
Okay, so that would become 6, 7, minus 8. 27/28.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
All right. We got some time. We can do a few more here if you would like. Anything else that you want us to work on today?
No.
Okay, let me give you a few problems here. Let's say it's 4/7 times 3/16.
Okay. So you can reduce the 4 and the 16 to 2 and 8. Or you can reduce that again to 1 and 4.
Okay.
7, 3 can't reduce, so that would become 3/28.
Okay, I like it. All right, let's go 15/8 divided by 9/4.
Okay. On to do reciprocal, which is 15/8 times 4/9, and then the 4 and the 8 you can reduce to 1 and 2. 15 and 9 can't reduce, and then that becomes
15 and 9 can reduce. 3
okay.
goes 3 goes into both of them.
Oh, 3 does. So then you do okay. So 5/6.
Yes, 5/6. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, good job today. We're gonna go ahead and stop the recording right
Yeah.
here.